You can expect a lot from the 2012 Kia Soul. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.